Kreg jigs are so easy to use. Today I'm using the Shelf Pin hole drilling jig and guide, and so I use a spacer. This is a consistent spacer I've used throughout the entire cabinet here, and it comes with a stop block that you can attach to it, and I'll show you how to take that off in just a minute. And then you just clamp it. It's that easy. You drill the holes that you want to drill. Bada bing, bada boom. You want to switch sides because you can't use it like this on this side of the cabinet. They make it so easy. This stop is slotted. Comes with keyholes and slots that you put the stop block into, and then you just switch sides like that. And then repeat on the other. So this jig kit comes with the drill bit stop, and the Allen key to adjust the drill bit stop. And then it comes with this thing here. I'll show you what that is in just a minute. And then it already comes with 4 shelf pins. I ended up buying shelf pins. I didn't realize the kit came with 4 of them. But this thing is very versatile. And when you're using the jig and you want to continue up the side, like so, you will use this as shown on the package. And you will just line this up, sorry, the other way. Line this up in a hole, and then take the jig, bottom hole, and you bring it up to it like that. That way it's evenly spaced all the way up. You can use this same piece on the entire cabinet, or here's a bonus. If you buy more jigs, they connect together. They just snap together. On the bottom of this here, there's a spot for another jig to fit onto it. And here's the top of this one. So if you were to attach another one on top of this, you just remove that and attach the next jig on top of that. Isn't it cool? These things are so helpful. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.